How to find transaction history on Binance. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your transaction history on Binance. To find your transaction history on Binance, first of all, you'll need to open your Binance application on your mobile device, or you may also use the Binance official website, that is binance.com. Once you have opened your Binance application, here make sure you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see the wallet icon. Tap on this wallet icon, and from this page, here you will need to select this spot option. Once you select the spot option, here you will be able to see the transaction history icon at the right side of your balance. You will need to tap on it and then you will be taken to the history page. In this page, here you can view all your transactions including deposits, withdrawals and trades. You can also use this filter icon at the right side to narrow down your search by transaction type, asset type or date range. If you need a detailed report about it, you can tap on this export icon at the top right corner of your screen, and here you will need to select the specific time range and the file format. After that, you can tap on this export button at the bottom to download your transaction history. So by following these steps, you should be able to find your transaction history on Binance. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.